All right, once again, here's some more Mario Maker 2 courses that my 3-year-old daughter made. Pfft. Oh, it's one of those. Oh, shit. Okay, beginnings, which are really, really hard, but once you make it through, then it's just a hard course. The piranha plants, she calls them hungry plants. Ooh, why did I stop? Okay. Press the button hard enough, you feel like you'll make it. What? There we go. Oh, man. Woo! Buzzsaw. Oh, boy, look at that buzzsaw there. Oh, that's shitty. Oh! I made it a little bit farther that time. Damn. Ooh, and then there's fish coming. Oh, geez. Oh, my God. There's fish coming now. Did you see that? I made it over. Oh, man. I just want to know. As late as possible. I don't know. I'm giving up on this one. 10 more. The ground is not safe. The air is not safe. Ooh, damn! Oh, so close. There's only like 1,000 of them. Like, get in one of the damn tops. There we go. Then I jumped out of it like a fucking idiot. Damn! Okay. Just make it. Fuck! Get in the damn top. Fucking shit. Damn. God damn it, and the ghost. All right, here we go. Whoa. Here we go. A half-scape Laban donut. Oh, jeez. Here they come. Come on. Oh my God, how did I screw that up? There we go. What's a new idea? New strategy. Oh my God. Go! Oh, play it, daddy. Whoa! I think she just wants to torture me. Oh, that was shitty. Oh, damn. Oh, I hit the donut. Oh my God. Yes. Oh! Fucking deer in headlights. Oh, yeah. Wow. Oh!
It still looks possible.
Oh, man. Oh, fuck. Oh. Damn. Oh boy. Oh no. The spikes again. There we go. There. Never mind. Oh, go. Thank God. Oh man. Come on. Oh shit. Get up there. There we go. Okay. Oh, I should have known this is just a dead end. Oh, this sucks. But it's too treacherous. Treacherous. Okay. Oh, that was a close one. Get through. Oh, okay, hit me. Ooh, wow. Ooh, and there's the goal. Can you see it? It's right over there. You see that? Fuck! Ooh. What? Duck, and I made it! Yes! Oh, I bounced back! There we go. Damn it, I bounced back again. Oh, fucking shit! Don't break the floor. I don't remember what was going on here. I feel like her sister was involved with this one. Oh, that's why you don't want to break the floor. It's easy. Last one. Oh! Whoa! Oh my God! Well, she's pretty creative. Did a good job there. I mean, for a 3-year-old, that's not bad. But man, that was some frustrating shit.
Play it, Daddy.